The world of artificial intelligence is evolving at an electrifying pace. We are witnessing breakthroughs in previously unimagined domains. One such area is AI video generation. This technology is poised to revolutionize how we create and consume video content. At the forefront of this revolution stands Seaweed, a next-generation AI video model making waves in the tech world. Seaweed isn't just another AI video generator, it represents a significant leap forward in the capabilities of this technology. With its advanced algorithms and intuitive design, Seaweed empowers users to generate high-quality videos from simple text prompts. This opens up a world of possibilities for filmmakers, animators, marketers, and anyone who wants to harness the power of video. The buzz around Seaweed is palpable. Tech enthusiasts and industry experts are eagerly anticipating its release. The promise of a tool that can generate stunning videos with unprecedented ease and efficiency is captivating the imagination of creators worldwide. Seaweed is not just a product, it's a glimpse into the future of video creation. What sets Seaweed apart from the competition? It's the unique blend of features that cater to both novice and expert users. Seaweed boasts an intuitive interface that makes video generation accessible to anyone, regardless of their technical expertise. Input a text prompt describing your desired video and Seaweed will do the rest. But ease of use is just the tip of the iceberg. Seaweed truly shines in its ability to produce high-fidelity videos with remarkable detail and realism. The model leverages cutting-edge deep learning techniques to understand and interpret complex prompts. This allows it to generate videos that are not only visually impressive, but also narratively coherent. Seaweed also excels in its flexibility and customization options. Users can fine-tune various aspects of their videos, including style, mood, and pacing. This level of control empowers creators to translate their vision onto the screen with remarkable precision. The result is a video generation tool that is both powerful and versatile, capable of producing a wide range of video content. At the heart of Seaweed's capabilities lies a sophisticated architecture built upon the latest advancements in artificial intelligence. The model utilizes a novel combination of generative adversarial networks, or GANs, and transformer networks. This powerful synergy allows Seaweed to generate video frames with exceptional quality and coherence. These networks ensure smooth transitions and maintain narrative consistency. Seaweed also creates realistic 3D objects, enhancing the immersive quality of the content. One of the most remarkable aspects of Seaweed is its intelligent editing capabilities. The model goes beyond simply stitching together individual frames. It analyzes the narrative flow of the generated video and makes intelligent editing decisions to enhance the overall coherence and impact of the story. For instance, Seaweed can automatically adjust the pacing of the video by adding or removing frames. It can also introduce subtle camera movements such as pans and zooms to create a more cinematic feel. These editing choices are made in real time, ensuring that the final video is both engaging and visually appealing. Prompt coherence is another area where Seaweed excels. The model is designed to understand the nuances of language and interpret complex prompts with a high degree of accuracy. This ensures that the generated video accurately reflects the user's intent and vision. Seaweed can even handle prompts that involve multiple characters, locations, and events, maintaining narrative consistency throughout. Section 5, addressing the growing pains frame rate and beyond. Seaweed represents a significant leap in AI video generation, but faces growing pains. One challenge is maintaining consistent frame rates. Inconsistencies can result in jerky movements. The team is working on improving frame rate stability. Future updates aim for smoother video output. Another focus is perfecting human faces and emotions. Expect more lifelike and emotionally resonant characters. Section 6, Seaweed versus Sora, a tale of two titans. Seaweed's emergence into the AI video generation landscape inevitably draws comparisons to other prominent models in the field. One such model is Sora, developed by OpenAI. Both Seaweed and Sora represent the cutting edge of AI video technology, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Sora has garnered significant attention for its ability to generate highly realistic and visually stunning videos. The model excels at creating natural-looking environments and objects, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI-generated imagery. However, Sora's focus on visual fidelity comes at the expense of narrative coherence and intelligent editing capabilities. Seaweed, on the other hand, prioritizes both visual quality and narrative coherence. While its visual output may not be as hyper-realistic as Sora's, Seaweed compensates with its intelligent editing features and ability to understand and interpret complex prompts. This makes Seaweed a more versatile tool for creators who want to tell stories and convey specific messages through their videos. ByteDance. Riding the wave of AI innovation, ByteDance, known for TikTok, leads in AI research and development. They invest in computer vision and natural language processing. Seaweed showcases their commitment to AI video innovation. ByteDance aims to democratize video creation with Seaweed. Their resources and expertise position them as leaders in AI video. Section 8. When can we dive in? Seaweed's release on the horizon. The anticipation surrounding Seaweed's release is palpable. Creators worldwide are eager to get their hands on this game-changing technology. While ByteDance has yet to announce an official release date, industry insiders speculate that Seaweed could be available to the public within the next year. The initial release of Seaweed is expected to be in beta form, allowing early adopters to test the model's capabilities and provide valuable feedback to the development team. This iterative release strategy allows ByteDance to fine-tune Seaweed based on real-world usage, ensuring that the final product meets the needs and expectations of its users. ByteDance's approach to Seaweed's release reflects the company's commitment to responsible AI development. By gradually rolling out access to the model, ByteDance can monitor its impact and address any potential ethical concerns before making it widely available. This cautious approach underscores ByteDance's dedication to building AI systems that are both innovative and beneficial to society. Section 9, The Future of Video, A Sea of Possibilities. Seaweed's arrival on the scene marks a pivotal moment in the evolution of video technology. The model's ability to generate high-quality videos from simple text prompts has profound implications for various industries and aspects of our lives. The potential applications of Seaweed are as vast as our imagination. In the realm of filmmaking, Seaweed could revolutionize pre-production and storyboarding processes. Directors and cinematographers could use the model to quickly visualize scenes and experiment with different camera angles and editing techniques. This could significantly reduce production costs and timelines, allowing filmmakers to focus on the creative aspects of their craft. For animators, Seaweed could streamline the animation process by automating tedious tasks such as character rigging and environment modeling. This would free up animators to focus on character development, storytelling, and other creative aspects of animation. Seaweed's ability to generate three-dimensional objects could also open up new possibilities for creating immersive and interactive animated experiences. Section 10 Conclusion. Embracing the transformative power of Seaweed. Seaweed represents the dawn of a new era in video creation. Its intuitive interface, powerful AI algorithms, and intelligent editing capabilities empower anyone to harness the magic of video. As Seaweed continues to evolve and improve, it has the potential to fundamentally change how we create, consume, and interact with video content. The implications of this technology extend far beyond entertainment. Seaweed can be a powerful tool for education, communication, and even scientific research. Imagine using Seaweed to create engaging educational videos that bring complex concepts to life, or envision using the model to generate realistic simulations for training purposes in fields like medicine and aviation. The future of video is bright, and Seaweed is leading the charge. As we embrace the transformative power of this technology, we can unlock a world of creative possibilities and usher in a new era of visual storytelling. Section 11. A call to action. Join the Seaweed revolution. The arrival of Seaweed is not just a technological advancement, it's an invitation to reimagine the possibilities of video. This is a call to action for creators, innovators, and dreamers to embrace this revolutionary technology and explore its limitless potential. Whether you're a seasoned filmmaker, an aspiring animator, or simply someone with a story to tell, Seaweed empowers you to bring your vision to life. Join the Seaweed revolution and be a part of shaping the future of video. The time to dive in is now. The sea of possibilities awaits. Let's ride the wave of innovation together and unlock the full potential of AI video generation with Seaweed. The future of storytelling is in our hands.